Fill in each blank with the appropriate term from the brackets. A bucket full of water is to be drawn from a well. Dash will be done when a dash is applied to do this because there will be a dash of water. Work, force, displacement. If a ball is dropped on the sloping roof of a house, it acquires dash and falls on the ground. That is, transformation of dash energy into dash energy takes place. Motion, potential, kinetic. You might have seen some beautiful fireworks during Diwali. It is an example of transformation of dash energy into dash energy. Chemical, light. The solar cooker is an application of the dash energy of the sun, while solar cells, solar lamps are applications of the dash energy of the sun. Heat, light. One laborer carried 4 pans of road metal through a distance of 100 meters. If he carries 2 pans of road metal through a 200-meter distance, dash work will be done. Equal. The capacity that an object has for doing work is called dash. Energy. Match the pairs. Rolling object. Kinetic energy. Food. Chemical energy. Stretched bow. Potential energy. Sunlight. Heat energy. Uranium. Atomic energy. Can you tell when can we say that displacement has taken place? When the position of any object changes, then we can say that displacement has taken place. What should be taken into account for measuring work? For measuring work, both the force and the displacement must be considered. What are the various forms of energy? Various forms of energy are mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy, and electrical energy. Describe one natural chain of transformation of energy. In the course of the water cycle, water evaporates due to the heat of the sun. This water vapor forms clouds that give rain. Rainwater flows into rivers and is stored in reservoirs on dams. These are at a height and therefore their water has potential energy which is transformed into kinetic energy as the water falls downwards. When the water falls on the blades of turbine, its kinetic energy is transferred to the turbine. The turbine rotates producing electrical energy. This electricity gets transformed into various other forms of energy. Why should we save energy? Due to the increasing population and increasing usage of energy resources, there is a danger that the limited reserves of coal, petrol, diesel, crude oil and natural gas will get exhausted. In a way, saving energy is as good as generating energy. There are several ways of saving energy such as putting off lamps when not needed, making maximum use of sunlight, etc. Saving energy and energy resources is very necessary. Otherwise, we will have to face a serious calamity like global warming. Hence, we should save energy. What is green energy? The energy resources which do not produce smoke and carbon gases such as carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide are called green energy resources. Greater use of such resources is the need of the hour. What are the non-conventional energy resources? The resources that have not been used traditionally. They are inexhaustible and continuous and can be used in various forms again and again are called non-conventional energy resources. For example, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, idle power. Which forms of energy from the sun are used in solar energy devices? Heat energy from the sun is used in solar cookers, solar water heaters, solar dryers. Light energy from the sun is used in solar cells, solar panels. Solar electric plants have the capacity to produce electricity on large scale. Why should we maximize the use of non-conventional energy resources? The non-conventional energy resources are renewable energy resources. They are inexhaustible and continuously available resources. On the other hand, The traditional non-renewable energy resources such as fossil fuels are getting fast depleted. They also create pollution and problems like global warming and climate change when in excess. In order to save our earth and environment, we must maximize the use of non-conventional energy resources. Who is the odd one out? Diesel, crude oil, natural gas, wind. Wind. A running car, hauling a log, a book kept on a table, picking up the school bag. A book kept on a table. Sunlight, wind, waves, petrol. Petrol. Leaving the fan on in a vacant room, leaving the TV on while working, using AC during winter, putting off the light when going out. Putting off the light when going out. Find out the types of energy from the following puzzle. Answers are given directly in puzzle. The types of energy from the following puzzle are solar energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, sound energy, heat energy, wind energy, and light energy. The grey shaded alphabets are answers on the puzzles. Can you tell in the game of marbles from where does one marble get energy to set another marble in motion? When we apply physical force to the first marble, it gains some force, and when it strikes the second marble, energy in the form of force is transferred to the second marble, and this force sets the second marble in motion. While playing carom, from where does the striker get the energy to make the pieces move? When we strike the striker, the force exerted by our muscles is transferred to the striker. When the striker strikes the coin, this energy is transferred to the coin, which may help to pocket the coin. Use your brain power. Why do you get hungry after physical exercise? When we do physical exercise, we use the energy stored in the body. To replenish this energy, we have to eat. Hence, we feel hungry. From where does our body get energy? Our body gets energy from the food we eat. Why do we get tired? When we do any work, we use the energy. If this energy level becomes very low, then we feel tired. In which form is energy stored in plant food? Energy stored in plant food is in the form of chemical energy. How is energy obtained from cooking gas? Energy obtained from cooking gas is heat energy, which is obtained by conversion of chemical energy. Why is energy not visible to us? Energy is the capacity to do work. Energy is converted from one form to another in the form of work being done. Hence, it is not visible to us.